In this video, we will talk about the top stock to buy for interest rate hikes. We just had a Fed meeting and it was not very good. We saw all of the growth names plunge. We saw the SPY plunge and the VOO. So I wanted to talk about an ideal stock to buy because the Fed seems to want to raise interest rates and just hike them up until who knows when. So this is a stock that actually should be performing well from interest rate hikes, and that is ticker symbol AB or Alliance Bernstein. Now, I did a deep dive on this, but we are just going to talk about the entry levels I see, as well as the price targets and what to look out for. Now, I absolutely love this stock. There's a nice juicy dividend of 8%. And you probably know this stock because Nancy Pelosi absolutely loves it, and it's one of her top 10 holdings. Now, if we look at the daily, what we're seeing here is a double bottom, which means it's very bullish, and it actually is over the 200 MA line. I know, pretty crazy. If we look at the Bollinger Bands, we can see that the higher Bollinger Band is curling up, which is really nice. And today there was a bullish crossing of the 13 EMA over the 50 EMA. Love to see that. And we're just seeing this wedge right here all the way since November, and it looks like it's consolidating a bit right now, but we confirmed the double bottom, so we're ready to go there. And it had a very nice candle from the bottom of this wedge up until the top. I do think we might consolidate a little bit, but then we will just skyrocket to the upwards because it is showing a lot of bullish momentum. Now, if you look at the RSI looks bullish. It looks like there's buyers. The MACD looks like it's going to bullish area soon, and we just need to pay attention to this area. I would like to see it bounce off the 50 if that would be possible, but I think this is a really great stock. Again, it has some nice dividends, so we're just going to go over for my swing traders and my day traders. Now that we know an overview of this, just look at that. That's so beautiful. Like all of those higher highs, all of those higher lows. We love to see that for bulls. Now, what I would like to see is that it goes back to the downtrend and either gets a support here or a support right here. And what I would like to see it at is around 46.50. That is 46.50. is our first entry point. Now, if we don't see buyers there, then we will have to go to the next entry point, which I'm thinking is going to be all the way over here, because if we do break that wedge, then it is going to go to the next support line, which is down here to $40.80. Now, if we do hit that price there, we again need to wait for buying pressure. That is the key for all trading. We need to make sure that there is buying pressure. So right here, if we get it here, I would just go up a little bit more and have a price target of 42.35. If there is no selling pressure, then I would just wait until 44.50 to exit. If we do go over here to the 46.80 range and we bounce off of here, I would like the price target to be 48.62, so just a little bit below here, but that just gives us a few price targets and entry points if we see buyers. But I think this is a really bullish stock right now, especially since everything we got with the Fed, and you can just see how it got over the VWAP and this beautiful bullish green candle. So if you would like to scalp it as well, I wouldn't be mad at that. I do expect it to be bullish tomorrow, especially after the Fed meeting, but I just wanted to show you this because I think it's a really great stock to hold for the long term anyway, and we have this nice juicy 8% dividend that we love to see. And if we go over to the daily, it just all around looks very bullish to me. And just regaining that 200 MA is just amazing. We just literally broke through that. Like, how perfect is that? I love that. I just wanted to check the weekly because I haven't checked that recently. We do see the double bottom, and it does look like there is a nice bounce off of the 50 EMA, and it looks like it's just going to continue to go up. Again, we need to wait for buying pressure, but I'm very bullish on this stock, and I do like this for the long term. I did a deep dive on this, as I said, and I just absolutely love this stock and think it will be very bullish for interest rate hikes. So I just wanted to show you that, the Supergirl Investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. If you would like to see all of my trades, go over to my Twitter account at Supergirl Investor, or go to skingame.com to see all of my trades in real time. Let's make sure all of our parents get yachts by 2025. This Supergirl Investor here is signing off. I just wanted to give you an interest rate hike proof stock that actually goes up. Just make sure you're looking at the dividends, especially ticker symbol AB. Signing off. Bye.